Okay, so in the previous video we have added these three types of police officers, as you can see. Now in this video we will create a way in order to spawn these officers inside our whole environment, just as we spawn the AI characters, because we just can't duplicate these police officers and then add them manually, and then add the waypoints as well manually, because that will be really a hard job and it will be such a headache. So we need to spawn them at different waypoints inside our environment. So if we click on the waypoint origin, right here we already have a script which is by the name of AI spawner. So what we will do, we will first create a police officer spawner in which we will spawn only this police officer, and then we will create a different script for the police officer 2 and for the FBI officer, because as you know that the script's name is not the same. As you know, right here we just have the police officer script, then right here we have the police officer 2, and then right here we have the FBI officer. So the script's name are changed, so that's why we need to create different spawner for these different police officers. So let's start from the first police officer. Let's go inside the scripts folder, then the police npc, and in here we will create a new C# script by the name of police spawner. Now click on the waypoint origin and let's add this police spawner script right here. First of all, open up the AI spawner script and then open up the police spawner script. Now let's click on the AI spawner. Let's just simply copy all of this code from here, get back to the police officer spawner right here, paste it, and guys, let me just close these scripts so that we have more space. Okay, so here is the AI spawner, then right here we have the police spawner. Right here the two variables will be the same, also the start function. Then right here in the enumerator we will change the script name from waypoint navigator to police waypoint navigator script, because as you know that there for the police officer we have this different script which is by the name of police waypoint navigator. Okay, we just need to do these changes, and also let's make the wait for seconds, let's change that to 5 so that the police officer just spawn a little bit slowly. That will be it. Now we can just save the script, get back right here. Let's change the AI prefab value to 1, and in here let's first of all create the prefabs of these three officers. So in order to make the prefab we need to click on this extreme special force, then inside the character right here let's create a folder by the name of prefab, and in here let's drag and drop our first police officer, then the second one, and then the third one. Now let's click on prefab, unpack completely, then the second one, and then the third one. That is it. Now let's click on the waypoint origin again, and right here let's drag and drop the police officer in there, not police officer 2, police officer, and then the AI to spawn will be 10. That is it. Now if we play the game you will notice that it will spawn this police officer. You will notice it in the hierarchy. As you can see, it created this police officer where he is right here. As you can see, he is walking. So let's just go ahead and check that police officer out, and first of all let's kill some AI player and let's see if he follow us or not. As you can see right there, he can follow us. As you can see, they all can now shoot us. Okay, as you can see, let me check the police officer clone. Here is the second one. Let's check the other clone. As you can see, they are all shooting the police officer, and now as you can see the player died, so the game is being paused, as you can see, and the police officers are, all of them are right here, as you can see. So in this way you can spawn your own police officer. Okay, now we did it for the police officer, this first one. Now let's do it for the second one as well. So for that, let's go inside the scripts, police npc. As you know that we have created the police spawner. Now let's create another script which will be by the name of police2 spawner, and also create a script by the name of fbi spawner. You can just skip this video if you want, because if you know how to create a spawner for each of the police officer, then you are good to go. But if you don't understand it yet, so just follow me step by step. So first of all, let's open up this police2 spawner script, and then let's open up the fbi spawner as well. Now right here, remove these two functions, and then just simply copy this code from right here and paste it right here. Just change this name to police2 waypoint navigator. Make sure that you type your own script name right here. Okay, and if your script name is similar to mine, then you are good to go. My script name for the police2 is this, which is police2 waypoint navigator. Let's check the the fbi officer as well. So right here it is fbi waypoint navigator. That is it. We can save this script, both of the script actually, and you can see the names right here, police2 waypoint navigator, and then we have the fbi waypoint navigator. Okay, now we can just simply click on waypoint origin right here. Let's add the police2 spawner. Where is it? Right here. Okay, police2 spawner, and then the fbi spawner. Let's give the ai prefab value as 1. Let's open them. The ai to spawn will be 10. Here it will be 10 as well. Now let's add the prefabs. So in here, character prefab, here it is. Let's click on the waypoint origin again. Let's add the fbi prefab in there, and then the police 2 prefab in there. That is it. Now we can just simply play the game again, and you can see now the police officers are now spawning. As you can see, there is one of the police officer. Let's check the fbi officer clone. As you can see, here he is. He can walk really smoothly, as you can see. Now if we click on this player, and for example let's click on this wanted level, let's activate the 5 stars, and now as you can see, all of the police officers is now shooting the player from each direction, and as you can see now, the player simply dies. So in this way you can now spawn different police officers character, and as you know that they work perfectly fine. They can now shoot the player, and they can spawn in the environment, anywhere in the environment. Okay, so now we have a fully functional wanted level system, and also we have a fully functional law enforcement system, or you can say police system. Now in the upcoming videos we will remove this wanted level script from here. We will add it somewhere else, and also we will create a UI for this wanted level script, so that we show to the player that how many wanted level is active. So with this done, I will see you guys in the next one.